Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, I am Neharika and I'm on a very fascinating journey of 30-day English speaking challenge. And for that reason, today I have decided to talk on a very fascinating, very exciting topic, that is, what is my favorite movie. And I'm very glad, I'm very excited to tell you about my favorite movie, which is Golmaal 3. It's a full on comedy movie. Actually, in the movies, my favorite genre is comedy, and I can watch comedy movie anytime. And this is my most favorite movie. My all time favorite movie is Golmaal 3. Actually, this movie is about two groups of siblings who cannot stand with each other. Even they cannot live for 1 minute with each other. But they were forced to live together as a family in a single house because their parent married to each other. And this creates a very absurd situation, and it actually creates the comedy in the house. And there is one character which is played by Johnny Lever, which is, I think, its name is Puppy Bhai. And the Johnny Lever is already known for his physical comedy, and his character actually in this movie, he has very short term memory, and he forget everything whenever he go to some place for intimidating people. And he when he actually reach that place, he actually forget why he came why he went there. So it creates a comic scene over there, a comic moment over there. And actually, yes, his physical comedy, his expressions, all are very hilarious. And if I talk about myself, what is my favorite scene? So yeah, it's a scene which is in which Tushar Kapoor is there. And actually he was actually surrounded by some goons. And they actually, in a very absurd way, they make him to sit on a burning tawa. The tawa, on which it's actually, in English it is called griddle, on which we make tikkis and dahi bada, etc. in the market, in the street food. You can see those kind of tawas. So those goons actually make him to sit on that tawa, which is burning. And he wanted to escape himself, and to save himself, he tried to lift up himself from that tawa by using his hands. But his hands start burning. So it's completely helpless. He completely is stuck in a helpless situation. And expressions of him in this scene and his physical comedy, actually it creates a complete comic scene. And it is my favorite scene. Whenever I watch this scene, it gets me rolling on the floor, and I laugh out loud every time. And it's not only a comedy movie, it's a complete balance of both comedy and emotions. Because in the climax, what happens that both group of the siblings, they get to know that their parents actually are not their real parents. They are orphan. They all those, I think, five, for all those five persons are actually orphan. So this actually made them realize the value of family, value of love, and value of togetherness. So it creates the a very wholesome environment over there. And so it's a comedy plus emotion both. So it is my favorite movie uh, due to this reason, because it is not a mindless comedy. It has the emotions as well as it has the comedy. So it is very light-hearted movie. You can watch it with your family, and yes, especially children. Children always like this movie. The Rohit Shetty movie are full on uh, comedy, and yes, action also. And So that's it for my favorite movie. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and please tell me in the comment what is your favorite movie. Thank you.